to Always Dolls.
And thanks for joining us. Today we are sharing another DIY for our newest Girl of the Year, Kavi Sharma. In this video, we show you how to make the adorable bag, journal, and bangle from Kavi's accessories set. We'd love it if you hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new DIY. So, let's get making! The shape of Kavi's bag is just a rectangle with rounded corners, so draw and cut out a template from paperboard. Trace your template twice onto thick black fun foam, giving you the bag front and back pieces. Next, take a straight edge to impress diagonal lines into the fun foam, spacing them about 1 centimeter apart. Repeat this step in the opposite direction to create the fun quilted pattern. Here, we sourced a mini zipper from our local haberdashery shop. Measure the zipper's width, then cut a long strip of fun foam that is slightly wider. Lay the zipper on the fun foam and mark where the zip and stopper are positioned. Cut a slit between these 2 points. Now tuck one side of the zipper fabric under the slit and secure it in place with a line of hot glue. Then repeat for the other side. Find the center point of your strip and align it with the center of the bag's top edge. Use more hot glue to attach the strip, curving it around the right side and securing to the bottom edge. Now attach the back piece of fun foam. Then close up the bag using more hot glue. Next, you will need small jump rings intended for jewelry making. Feed through a length of narrow yellow or lime green ribbon and seal the end with hot glue. If you can't source jump rings, you can make your own from a paper clip. Wrap the wire around a pen cap and clip off the excess. You just need 2 jump rings for Kavi's bag. Affix the ribbon below the zip and attach the other ribbon below the stopper on the opposite side. Then sandwich the ribbon ends with another strip of black fun foam. This is what we have so far. For the bag strap, layer more of your yellow ribbon atop a broader hot pink ribbon. You can use specialty fabric glue or even clear school glue for this step. You will also need 2 small lobster clasps. Like we did before, loop the end of the ribbon through the ring of the lobster clasp, sealing with glue. Check the ribbon faces upward so you see the layered effect when the bag rests over your doll's shoulder. We also bought these mini star charms in the jewelry section and glued one to the front of our bag. But you could also draw a star directly to the fun foam using a specialty silver marker. Thanks to the lobster clasp, our doll can wear the bag crossbody style for more options. Now let's make Kavi's daily planner. Here we took a mini notepad from this 8-pack party favor set. It's blank inside and the perfect size for our 18-inch dolls. We will cover it with a printable we made using an image from American Girl's website. We put a link to ours in the description box. Cut around the dashed lines, then pre-fold the top and sides of the book cover. Cut out corner tabs. Then apply glue stick to the front of the notepad and lay it into the printable. Put more glue on the blank tabs and secure them to the inside of your book's front and back cover. Perfect! To make Kavi's colourful bangle, we recycled the cap from a large glue stick. Trim the cap to about 1.5 centimeters high and cut away the lid top. Now snip through the band so it will open enough to wrap around your doll's wrist. Before painting, mask off 3/4 of the band with low tack or washi tape, then paint in the dark blue stripe. Once this is dry, reposition your mask to colour in the remaining light blue, hot pink and green sections. If possible, give the bangle a coat of Mod Podge to help protect your doll from any paint marks or staining. Great! Our DIY accessories set is complete. Have fun making your own today. See you
soon for more miniature crafting fun.